guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and today I'm going to show you the best way to clean your carpets. Biggest question I get, even though we're in Florida, is what is the best way to clean your carpets? We don't carry a shampoo machine, and there's a reason for that. We do carry a great product that we've carried for over 20 years. It's called Oreck Dry Carpet Cleaner, and we carry an orbiter. However, what's nice about the dry carpet cleaner is you can do it by hand, or you can use the Oreck orbiter, which will do it for you as well if you need to do a very large area. So today I'm going to show you how to dry clean your carpet. I'm going to remove a couple stains that I have on the carpeting in our store, and that way you can see exactly how it's done, exactly how well it works, and why you should buy this instead of using any type of shampoo. When you shampoo your carpeting, you are putting water into your carpet. Water is bad for carpet. It breaks down the glue that holds the carpet together. It creates a place for moisture, for mold, for bacteria, for allergens. Every time you put shampoo in your carpeting, you're not able to rinse it all out. So it looks great at first, but then it gets dirty quickly. I don't know if you've noticed that when you've had a company come out and clean your carpets. It looks great for a couple weeks and then it looks dirty again. So dry carpet cleaner is dry. You can walk on it immediately. You don't have to rearrange your life because you're cleaning your carpets. So it's dry, you can walk on immediately. It doesn't leave a soapy residue, and it stays cleaner longer, and it reduces allergens. You can also use a dry carpet cleaner just to deodorize as well. I used to do that. I didn't necessarily have dirty carpeting, but it kind of got musty smelling, so I used a dry carpet cleaner to do that as well. So this, again, is an alternative to using any type of shampoo or wet or extraction. All right, so the way it works is you're going to pre-spray your carpeting with the pre-spray. This is a light mist. You don't want to get it all soaking wet because, like we just said, it's not good to get your carpet wet. Then you sprinkle down the powder. The powder, you're going to sprinkle it onto your carpeting like powdered sugar on French toast. It comes with a sifter, so you can sift it down, and it makes it nice and easy. Then you're going to scrub it in, and this is where the orbiter comes into play. You can either rent or purchase an orbiter. The orbiter is so multi-purpose. I highly suggest owning it. It is $500, not terrible when it comes to the fact that it can do so many different surfaces, not just carpeting. You can do tile and grout. You can clean your pavers, garage floors, pretty much any surface you want, wood floors, pretty much any surface you walk on. So you'll either scrub it in with a scrub brush or use the orbiter. I'm scrubbing it in with a scrub brush because I have a couple stains in the store. It's not a large area. It's easy just to scrub it in very quickly. So what the powder is going to do is act like a bunch of little sponges and soak up the dirt in the carpet. After about a half hour to an hour, you then vacuum it away. I have been using the dry carpet cleaner for over 20 years. It's the only thing I will use on my carpet. I've been in the carpet vacuum industry for over 20 years too, so you know that I've seen a lot. I have lots of customers with those steamer machines, and we do sell a shampoo that if you do have a steamer and absolutely want to use an extractor, I highly recommend the Unique shampoo. However, if you want the best way to clean your carpeting, use the dry carpet cleaner. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. When you do, it helps a small business. And we'll see you guys all again soon. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.